Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will work on backward elapsed time. Elapsed time backward. Delilah needs to be at school by 7:50 a.m. She spends 15 minutes doing her hair, 20 minutes eating breakfast, and 10 minutes packing her lunch. What time does Delilah need to wake up? We notice that the word problem says that Delilah needs to be at school by 7:50 a.m. and we need to figure out what time Delilah needs to wake up. So we know 7:50 has to be the end time since we have to figure out what time she will wake up at. So we will write 7:50 at the end time because that's when she'll be at school. Now it says that she spends 15 minutes doing her hair, and we know she does her hair before she gets to school. So we are going to go backwards 15 minutes. And we know she's doing her hair. Now, it can be tricky to subtract 15, so we can break up 15 into 10 minutes and 5 minutes. We know 10 minutes and 5 minutes makes 15 minutes, but these are much friendlier numbers to subtract. 7:50, and let's go backward 10 minutes. We know if we take away 10 minutes from 50 minutes, we will have 40 minutes. So we will write 7:50, we have to go backward 10 minutes. It will be 7:40 a.m. But remember, she spends 15 minutes doing her hair. So we have 10 and 5. Let's think. 7:40 minus 5. We know that will be 7:35 because 7:35 plus 5 is 7:40. So we know 7:40 minus 5 minutes means it's 7:35. Delilah starts doing her hair at 7:35, and it takes her 15 minutes. Now, it says she takes 20 minutes eating breakfast, and we know she eats breakfast before she goes to school and before she does her hair. So that will be minus 20 minutes when she's eating her breakfast. Now let's break up 20 minutes into 10 minutes and 10 minutes because we know 10 plus 10 makes 20. So let's subtract 7:35 minus 10 minutes. We know 7:35 minus 10 is 7:25 because 35 minus 10 is 25. And 25 plus 10 is 35. Now we have to subtract 10 more minutes because she eats for 20 minutes. 7:25 minus 10 is 7:15. And we know that 7:15 plus 10 minutes would be 7:25. We also notice that she takes 10 minutes packing her lunch, which is before she gets to school and before she does her hair and before she eats breakfast. And that takes her 10 minutes. Let's break up 10 minutes into 5 minutes and 5 minutes because 5 plus 5 makes 10. Let's think. 7:15 minus 5. Well, 15 minus 5 is 10, so it must be 7:10. And now we're at 7:10 and we need to subtract 5 more minutes because she spends 10 minutes packing her lunch. 7:10 minus 5 minutes would be 7:05 because we know 5 plus 5 makes 7:10. That means that Delilah needs to wake up by 7:05 a.m. Delilah has to wake up by 7:05 to make it to school on time. Remember, she takes 10 minutes packing her lunch, 20 minutes eating breakfast, and 15 minutes doing her hair. So she'll get to school on time if she wakes up by 7:05.